everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Pokémon Go with Google account. Logging into Pokémon Go with Google account is super easy. First of all, open the Pokémon Go application on your mobile device, and then from the home page, select the Returning Player button if you are a returning user. To sign in to Pokémon Go with Google, in the welcome screen, choose Sign in with Google. Click the Continue button to end up in the google.com website, where you'll need to sign in by entering your email or phone number associated with your Google account. Type it down in the text box shown on the display and tap on the Next button. On the next page, type in your password that is associated with your Google account and tap on the Next button. Follow through the instruction and tap on the Continue button to allow access for your Pokémon Go to connect with Google account. And soon after you do that, you will be able to sign into Pokémon Go with your Google account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Pokémon Go tutorials. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.